the fear of losing the fear of losing her mother, as when she was younger she had the fear of moving far away from her mother, and now as she is going away from her mother and her mother has grown uh, and old and weak, she now thinks that one day her mother will die and she will lose her forever. In this poem, the main idea is about the different phases of life and the attachments the human have with their near and dear ones, and the fear they have of losing their.
So in general, message, what message we will get? The explanation, what message do we get? Yes,
With
the
that
poem.
they
Yes, yes.
with aging the thoughts all of human beings also change, and we expect more company from them.
The poem deals with the realization of parents' old age and coming to terms with their eventual demise. As it is written in the very beginning of your poem, also, that aging is a natural process, it's a natural phenomena. All creatures grow older with the passage of time, and old age brings with it the signs of decay. The poetess very well understands the fact, but she feels pained to see her aging mother, and she knows that old age is followed by death, and she feels disturbed to think that her mother too will die soon. We find her pain and agony at the very thought of being separated from her mother. So the poem is written in a very contemplative and melancholic refrain, in a very sad mood. Clear? Now coming to the poetic devices. Coming to the poetic devices, as I sent you the PDF in which you have seen. Yes, Jasmine, beta, can you explain?
Yes, ma'am.
Explain about the poetic
Ma'am,
device.
all the poetic days,
Yes, start. Then we'll shift
all.
to some other student. Start.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, yes, first is the action like that of a corpse. Ma'am,
Hmm.
here simile is used in
Hmm.
first stanza.
Yes.
Ma'am, then in the second stanza, trees sprinting. Ma'am, here metaphor is used.
Hmm.
Personification is used.
Yes,
Sorry, ma'am.
personification. The trees
Personification.
printing. Yes.
And yes, ma'am, in the same line, the merry children spilling. Ma'am, here spilling out of their homes. Ma'am,
Hmm.
metaphor
Yes.
is used. And ma'am, in the last lines, smile and smile and smile.
Hmm.
Ma'am, here repetition is used.
Repetition is used. Anything else?
Ma'am,
Anyone?
and
Yes, yes.
yes, ma'am, as a late winter's moon. Ma'am,
Hmm.
simile.
Yes, similes. Anyone else wants to add? Matthew, beta, you want to add anything? Yes, Matthew, beta, you want to add anything?
Yes.
Along with all these, what she
No, ma'am.
mentioned, everything is done? Okay. Listen, once again, first
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
discussed about the similes. Her face ashen like that of a corpse, vein pale as a late winter's moon. Two similes are there. Personification, trees sprinting, metaphor, merry children spilling. Then note down there's contrast also. Contrast is also used. It is not mentioned in that PDF story map which I sent you. Please add it. Image of happy children outside, contrast with the old mother inside. Outside and inside world. That is contrasted. One is giving the image of happy, full of vitality and enthusiasm. The other is giving the image of inactivity, passivity. The mother is giving representation to passive and loss of vitality. Repetition is there, no doubt, in the last line, smile and smile and smile. Then we can use the same phrases for the symbols also. These can be called as symbols also. Trees sprinting. These are the symbols of action in life. Action in life. Clear? And then we have marry children, which are the symbols of youth, vigor, vitality, life, and growth. Then winter's moon. If we take only this phrase, winter's moon, it is a symbol of decay, symbolic of decay. But if we read the whole phrase, wan pale as a late winter's moon, then it comes a simile. But if we read only this much phrase, winter's moon, this is a symbol of decay. Then alliteration is also used somewhere. Can anyone find out where alliteration is used in the poem? Anyone? Can you find out the line where alliteration is used in the poem? Yes, Gurveer beta. Alliteration is there anywhere? Gurveer, yes beta.
I'm not sure.
Not sure. The line is my mother beside me. My mother beside me. In the third line, I
Okay, ma'am.
saw my mother beside me. M sound is repeated. My mother, me. So alliteration is used here. Clear? Then if we talk about the rhyme scheme of the poem does not have a regular rhyme scheme. It is written in free verse, because we have seen that the whole idea, whole poem is given in a single sentence. Same idea is continued in the whole poem. Clear? Now let's discuss some of the lines of the poem according to the extract form. Yes, who will answer first? Yes, Khushi beta. Please raise your hands and come forward. Yes, Khushi beta. If we
Yes,
go
ma'am.
for the beginning lines, driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. Those open mouths, her face ashen like that of a corpse. Question is, where is the poetess going and who is with her?
Ma'am, the poetess is going to her back home to Cochin, and her mother is with her, and
Yes,
she is driving to the airport to say goodbye to her daughter.
yes. What does she notice about her mother? What
Pardon?
does she notice? What does she notice about her mother?
The poetess noticed about her mother that her mother is too old now, and she
Hmm.
was dozing by sitting beside her with her face open, with her mouth open, and her face was really dull and
Yes.
ashen like a corpse.
Yes, she notices that her mother has grown quite old, and consequently the glow of her skin has disappeared and it looks dull like the ash. Yes, Gurveer beta, next question based on the same line. Why does the poetess relate the mother's appearance to that of a corpse? Why does the poetess relate
The
the
poetess
mother's?
relates the
Yes.
She relates so because her mother's face was very much dull and in green color, because she was very much tired, exhausted, and don't have much potential in her body now.
Yes, her mother has turned 66 years old. Her skin has lost all its charm and has become quite dull. So she compares it with a corpse. Which poetic device is used in the last line?
Alliteration.
Last,
Like that of a corpse is
yes,
simile.
like that of a corpse is
And I saw
simile.
my mother beside me
That
is
is alliteration. Okay. Coming to the next lines. Gurveer beta, listen the lines.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees printing, the merry children spilling out of their homes. What did the poetess realize with pain? What does?
When poet was going to the airport with her mother, she realized with pain that her mother was aging and soon she will die.
The poetess realized with pain that her mother had grown terribly old, and a thought that she never had in her mind before, that she would die. That idea came in her mind. This thought came in her mind. Yes. Next question. You can see another student coming forward. Tisha beta. Tisha,
Yes,
based
ma'am.
on the same lines, why was the realization painful? Why was the realization painful?
Ma'am, could you please repeat the question? Your voice was cracking.
Okay, in the first question we have discussed that she realized with pain that her mother has grown very old and she would die now. This thought or the idea came in her mind. Now the second question is, why was the realization painful? जो उसने realize करा वो painful क्यों था उसके लिए?
The poet's realization was painful because she thought that as her mother was growing old, she would leave her alone someday, and the poet will not be able to meet her mother again.
Yes, the realization that the mother was approaching death was painful to the poetess. The poetess was supposed to stay away from her mother for a long duration, far away. They might not even meet again. That's why it was painful for her. Now next, I want Jasmine from medical to answer based on the same line. The question is, why did the poetess put that thought away? Why did the poetess put that thought away? Jasmine beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yes, ma'am. The poet realized with pain that her mother was as old as she looked, but she then put that thought away because she wants that she should not be in pain and does not want to be sad.
Yes, the poetess was thinking about a long separation from her aged mother. She even feared that the mother and daughter would not meet again. Suddenly, she noticed that her mother had been reading her mind. And in an attempt to disguise her line of thoughts, the poetess looked out of the car and pretended to be cheerful. Now, Dipinder beta, Dipinder, what did the poetess see outside of the car? What did the poetess see outside of the
Yes,
car?
ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the poetess saw outside the car that the trees were sprinting and the children were running and happy with their family and they were running out of the home.
Yes, very good. The poetess saw cheerful life outside the car. There were young trees running back in a lively mood and the children playing around their houses. Next question based on the same lines. Sanjana beta, Sanjana or Ashwinder Kaur? Ashwinder Kaur.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sanjana is there. Okay. How does the poetess strike a contrast between what traveled with her and what moved outside? What traveled with her means her mother, and what moved outside activities. How does she strike a contrast between these two? Yes.
I didn't understand the question.
How does the poetess strike a contrast between what traveled with her and what moved outside? Traveled with her कौन है? उसकी mother. And outside activities, trees and the children, what she saw. How does she strike a contrast between these two? दोनों में contrast कैसे show करा गया?
Ma'am, her
Yes.
her mother is shown as a very like a dead body, like a corpse, doors, open mouth, and her face is also pale. But the outside surroundings is shown as trees sprinting, like, and the cheerful children are also shown as a contrary to the mother and her looks.
Yes. With this explanation, you can sum up this idea that this was a life death contrast. एक तरफ लाइफ शो करी गई है, दूसरी तरफ डेथ शो करी गई है. This life death contrast, active or inactive, active or passive. Clear? Now coming to the next lines. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her, wan pale as a late winter's moon. How did the mother look like at the airport? Ashwinder beta. Ashwinder, be quick beta. We are left only with 1 minute.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
How did the mother look like at the airport?
Ma'am, the poet has used a simile to show her condition. She used a simile as a late winter's moon.
Yes. The
That
mother.
her mother was pale